I'm Dr. Marcia Norman. I'm a licensed clinical psychologist, and I have a private practice in Winter Park, Florida. My typical client is a very high-functioning person. They're doing well in a lot of areas of their life, but one day they sort of realize they're just not happy, like something's just not clicking. And so when they come in, what we do is we sort of go through the different areas of their life, work, home, friendships, everything, social life, and see where the problem is. Sometimes it's their childhood, there's something that they didn't get to, some painful event they didn't get over, and that's okay, and that happens to everybody, and it's never too late to go back and fix that type of thing. Sometimes it's just a marriage that's no longer sparking joy. Sometimes you realize, I'm very successful, but I'm not happy and I'm not fulfilled. So my job is to work with you in a collaborative fashion and figure out what is it that you want in your life? What's going to make you happy? What's going to get you to where you love your life, you have joy and fulfillment? So many times I see in my clients, they don't see the wonder and beauty and intelligence in themselves. I don't know why, but people tend to really beat themselves up and talk to themselves in such a negative fashion. They just get in a habit of doing that, and it does nothing but keep you down. It does nothing but keep you stuck. Healing takes time, and healing is different for everybody. So what we do is go through those things and see what hurts you, and sometimes you actually just have to feel the pain. You have to go through it. A lot of people spend years and years carrying the pain behind them, dragging it, and all of a sudden, it just hits them. Another thing that's one of my favorite points in therapy is when somebody comes in and says, I'm not happy. I don't know what to do. This is terrible. I'm like, that's great. That's perfect. Because you know what? You woke up. You woke up. You said, I'm not willing to live, just comfortably miserable. I'm not willing to do that anymore. I'm not willing to live half a life. I want to live my full life. I want to figure out what is it that's holding me back? Why am I miserable? Why is that pebble in my shoe irritating me every day? That's my favorite part. And they look at me like I'm crazy because I'm like, you're unhappy, that's great. But what I said, you woke up. And that's when we can do the work to get you happy.